Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kim and today I have the May Fairyloot Adult to unbox together. And voila, we have, let me guess, packing. Oh, how did I guess? Take off the packing and we have the theme card for this month. Ooh, it is Cottage Core. Very nice, very floral. I'll turn it around so you can see what the book is. If you don't want to know, look away now. And you can look back. So, Cottage Core. Let's grab the book, a baggie. Open it up. So, which way do we go round? Oh, that's looking good. Okay. So, the Fairyloot Adult book for May is. Ooh, it is The Honey Witch by Sydney J. Shields. It's definitely giving me cottage vibes. I like that cover though, that is beautiful. You got little bits of shine in there as well. I do like that, okay. If you can hear the kids screaming, I'm sorry. We have the spine there. That is a beautiful spine. That is a beautiful spine. The rear. A lot of praise there for the Honey Witch. Very nice, very nice. We have a very yellowy orange top and bottom. And we have, we have honeycomb and honeybees. That is cool. Very nice. Let's go underneath the dust jacket. Oh, little crack. Oh, okay. We have a reversible dust jacket. Okay. I think this time, I think I prefer that side. Yeah, I think I prefer that side. But it is reversible. Let's do those end papers. Oh, we've got some foiled end papers. Very nice. And the rear, again, foiled. Cool. The hardcover is an off-white, yellowy white. Very nice honey pot there. Very pretty. Spine. Nothing on the rear. Do like that. Okay. Let's do a flick. 360 pages long. Each chapter begins with a honeybee. Very good, very good. We have a bound-in letter there from the author with another honeybee. I do like that. Okay, let's pop it back in the dust jacket. Oh, cute picture there of Sydney. Beautiful, okay. Should we find out what this one is about? Let's do it. Marigold Claude has always preferred the company of the spirits of the meadow to any of the suitors who've tried to woo her. So when her grandmother whisks her away to the family cottage on the tiny island of Innisfree with an offer to train her as the next Honey Witch, she accepts immediately. But her newfound magic and independence come with a price. No one can fall in love with the Honey Witch. When Lottie Burke, a notoriously grumpy skeptic who doesn't believe in magic, shows up on her doorstep, Marigold can't resist the challenge to prove to her that magic is real. But soon, Marigold begins to care for Lottie in ways she never expected. And when darker magic awakens and threatens to destroy her home, she must fight for much more than her new home, and at the risk of losing her magic and her heart. kind of like the sound of that one. Okay. So Cottage Core, a bit of witchiness and sapphic. Okay. I'm down. What do you guys think? What do you think of those customizations? I love the little honeybees, that's so cool. What do you reckon? Come talk to me. So that is the Fairyloot Adult book for May. As always, down in my description box you can find a link to all of my socials. Come give me a follow on Goodreads on Instagram or on X. You can like this video, you can comment, and you can subscribe if you want to. Want to let me know you're here without actually talking to me? You've got to leave me a honeybee. And I'll see you next time. Doodles.